Hello and welcome to DAD version 12 product highlights. In this video I will be giving a brief overview of the plan, elevation and mapping functions within DAD and providing some insight into how they are integrated with the System Information Model, or SIM for short. To begin with, I will start with a satellite image of my fictional example refinery. You will see in my model on the left that I have designated two locations within the refinery, Area A and Area B. On my plan layout to the right, you will see that I have defined those areas over the satellite image. From here, I am able to drill down further into the plant and see the plan layer for either of the two areas. Here, I will zoom into the rectangle area of buildings defined as Area A. Inside Area A, you can see that I have another two designated zones. For now, I will look into the second one, our central communications room. In here, you can see a simple server room layout, typically drawn in CAD, or for simpler designs, you can do it in DAD. In it, I've identified the positions of 8 racks that exist in the sim. To see the rack layout, I can again drill down and open the elevation layout. Here is the rack layout for our 42U rack. In it we have a DIN rail with a few devices mounted, some switches, servers and a UPS. Naturally, all of these are sim objects and the plan, elevation, rack layout are all fully integrated. Positioning equipment is done via simple drag dropping. Our DIN rail is actually a parent component with the child devices nested beneath it. We can open the layout for our DIN rail and edit the devices that are on it. These are also part of the sim. Now I will just close out of these windows and draw your attention to another use for the plan view: multi-conduit duct banks. Here we have a cross-section of a 12 duct bank. To see what cables from the sim are assigned to each duct, we can simply right-click and list the members. As you can see, we have fibre 05 and fibre 06 in this one. If we want to see where fibre 05 goes, we can simply drop it on the workpad as we do with any other sim object. We can see here that it goes from Area A, switch 1, out to Area B, some other rack. So to save time for our demo, I will open a save layout which has already got all the cables traced out. If I'm not interested in the internal connections within the central communications room, and I'm just interested in the cables that leave the room itself, I can drop the room onto the workpad. There. We can now see that there are only 3 fibres leaving the comms room, fibres 5, 6 and 7. If I open the relations of fibre 5, we can see that it belongs to the cable route A to B. And if I drop that cable route onto our mapping window, we can see that it is made up of 7 connected pits. We can show the connector route on Google Maps by clicking the button. Thanks for watching, and I hope this has given you some insight into the plan, elevation and mapping functionality available within DAD version 12. For more information, please visit our website or contact our sales team with your questions.